Imagine walking through a dark alley at midnight. You hear footsteps behind you, but your heart doesn't race. No panic, no goosebumps. You just turn around, calm, curious, and totally unafraid. Sounds like a superpower, right? But what if losing fear actually kills you? Fear isn't just an emotion. It is your brain's ancient alarm system, a survival tool developed over millions of years. It keeps you from touching fire, jumping off cliffs, or walking straight into danger. But what happens if your brain's fear switch turns off completely? Let's find out what life would be like if you stopped feeling fear. Fear begins deep inside your brain, in a small almond-shaped structure called the amygdala. When it senses danger, it triggers a chain reaction. Your heart beats faster. Your pupils widen. Adrenaline floods your body, preparing you to fight, flee, or freeze. Without this system, your body stays calm, but dangerously unaware. You'd walk across busy streets, handle wild animals, or even confront armed people, thinking everything is fine. Believe it or not, such a person exists. Her name is SM, a woman studied by scientists for decades. Due to a rare brain condition, her amygdala is completely destroyed. She can't feel fear. Not from horror movies, not from threats, not even when held at knife point. At first, she thought it was freedom, but soon researchers realized it was a curse. She kept walking into dangerous neighborhoods, touching snakes and spiders and ignoring obvious threats. She survived, not because she was brave, but because she was lucky. If your brain stopped feeling fear, you'd stop avoiding danger. You'd underestimate risk. You might drive recklessly or take deadly dares. Fear also keeps your body healthy. It sharpens memory, boosts awareness, and helps regulate your heartbeat. Without it, you might develop anxiety disorders, impulsive behavior, or emotional detachment. You'd lose a key part of what makes you human, the ability to survive by anticipating danger. But here's the paradox. Too much fear traps you in life. Too little fear ends it. Your brain's goal isn't to eliminate fear, but to balance it. Every time you face fear and overcome it, your brain rewires itself, making you stronger, not reckless. So, what if your brain could choose when to fear? Imagine living without panic, but still with awareness. Fearless, but not careless. That's not science fiction. That's emotional intelligence and the ability to control fear, not erase it. If you could switch off your fear for a day, would you? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more What If on stories that dive deep into the human mind, because understanding your brain might just save your life.